Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website which you can use to create business names. So the various branded names like Google, Vimeo, Instagram, Rovio, Airbnb. So there are so many um, brands out there. So if you want to create something unique and which is not there in the market, then you will have to first know what is existing. So instead of all those things, you can come to this platform, namelix.com. It can generate short, catchy names. The more specific your keywords are, the better the results. And it will decide whether you prioritize a shorter name, having a specific keyword or domain extensions, and you can save your names. So this is the text box where I need to put in the keywords. So let's say I am starting a real estate business. So I can put in real estate. Let me try. So let's say generate. So based on that, it's generating some of its names. House selling, home needed, non-Serbian, Numbly, stops. So these are the home hutch, home cottage, and based on that, it also tells me the price of the domain for that particular domain, right? So here again, I can come here and check what all names are available. So doll houses. So in this way you can see the logo, and also you can see the price of that domain name, and you can find out various names for your business. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.